Back another episode. Sibuyile this week. Solo ngihamba ngedvwane but nje kukhona sisakulungisa lokuncane. S_V_P ukhona. Ngiyathi ukuthi bami sebacale bangishayela bangibuta ukuthi hawu kwenzekeni. Hayi solo sikhona sikanyekayo nithi nje ukuthi khona nje vele lagcile isotha. Khona nje vele lisathi sotha kancane. Akuhambelani ne-title race ye-Arsenal. Because bese bathi bantu yini ngathi ngile ndaba ye-Arsenal no. Arsenal isihleli nje title race ngisola ukuthi kungenteka ukuthi ufukamele yona le title race because sivuka nje Jimmy Floyd uthi Arsenal is unang but kude babethi title favorite futhi bente yinye i-signing that is Alexander Isak nabangasayina yena batawunawo batawuhlale bama-title favorites for the next coming 3-4 seasons into kanjalo-ke but akasho ukuthi itawuwina i-league usho nje ukuthi itaba ma-title favorites. And then-ke bese naku sengigqamukele kakhulu endzabeni ye-Arsenal. Bengifuna sikhulume ngesihlangu kancane sishayashaye ngesihlangu. Sihlangu played well against iCameroon. Sabona Onana Khumba kanye waphuma ne-clean sheet Onana but nje sabonela ukuthi no iCameroon bekasure ukuthi ayifuni kudliwa ibithu khona kuphela ne-draw otherwise sihlangu besibhizi ngayo. Then-ke sihlangu played against Mauritius. From a 2-0 lead to draw 3-3. Angathi ukuthi kwenzekeni but nje there's a lot. Sihlangu angathi noma solo sichubeka kule ndlela yaso but nje nyalo ngibona ngathi sesiyabukeleka if ungumuntu lobukela ibhola uyayibona le improvement lapha nalapha kuso lesihlangu. Then Michael Owen has advised Liverpool ukuthi ihambise Salah na Nunes. Okay, Salah ukuthi yamhambisa kukuye ukuthi uyahamba noma akahambi. Nunes ingamhambisa but yena uthi ima-replacements abosala na Nunes ngisemenyo lwe-Bournemouth na Alexander Isak. So ukuthi Alexander Isak is the most sought after player now from clubs. Newcastle will make sure that if nakumgcina akuyo Arsenal maybe imfune but sengikabi sure ukuthi iyamfuna noma but lesishonga ukuthi Michael Arteta ufuna Darwin Nunes lo Liverpool. So i-Liverpool can sign Semenyo na Isak and then try by all means to keep Mo Salah nokuthi-ke i-stretch lama-policies ayo. And then sibone because international week sibone Szoboszlai nemfana Madrid. Lo mfana Madrid uthi wase-Turkey uthi akathule Szoboszlai and then Szoboszlai responded naseka-responda kubo-Instagram wabhala lama-minutes lawadlalile ku-Madrid lo mfana. Then spark all conversations about everything but nje i-defeat. Then Chiesa sibona baba Chiesa u-advisor Chiesa ukuthi achubeke adlale Liverpool angashiyi. And then sibona Tuchel lapha khona kuna Tino lo Newcastle na Ramsdale we-Southampton baba offloadile ku-squad national team. Okay, they couldn't make it to the 23-man squad. Bruno ubonakele a-celebrate i-miss ya Cristiano Ronaldo nakasase penalty. Angathi-ke ukuthi sisho kusini lokho-ke. And-ke sema-criticize bamokha labanye about it. Then-ke Then-ke sibonakele i-performance ya-De Jong lo eBarcelona against Spain ukuthi beyicacisa ukuthi kuhamba kanjani. Then then sibone Sovila-kazi athi yena when he was Mofoken's age beka-above Mofokeng maloko into Mofokeng lide lokho. I don't understand le nto yama-former players or angithi ama-legends because most of them azama ukuthi ngaso sonke isikhathi atende bantu labangathi bona bangetulo ngaso sonke isikhathi. I don't understand ukuthi leni bafuna ukuthatha le limelight noma spotlight kula bafana. Jomo naye uhlala akhuluma nga-Just 10 Pirates ukuthi yena wadlala kangcono kanjani. So boTito Maswanganyi, boSaleng bangephasi, bobani bani bangephasi, boModise, all those players. Bese uyabuka hawu. Yena nje kude umdlali lapho-ke amvumise amnike i-credit athi this one plays better. Everyone yena uyadlala uyambona but ungephasi kuye. Uthabo Rakhale, incumbi badlali laba Sipho siyabona Flick uyatendela kula liga. Uwine manager of the month once again. Kuzinje so semaholideyini baye bahlabanye u-honeymoon. Sathi ukuthi phela nini. Then before sifike ethikithi then kwenza baya Sancho. Sancho kuswa kunekwenteka abile. Kunekwenteka abile ku-Manchester United. Ngetindzaba tekuthi uyalokhusana indzaba yakhe if i-Chelsea nangabe i-Chelsea ayifuni kumsayina on a permanent deal ingabhadala inikete 5 million i-Manchester United, but if imfunele for le deal ingabhadala 25 million. So Sancho would love to stay ku-Chelsea, but nje it's a wait and see situation kulesigaba esikuso because angiboni mani yokuthi iyamfuna Sancho back. Leli thikithi lihamba kanje. I-Orlando ne-Barcelona Osasuna. No, ngicalele Girona ne-Barcelona. That is for team to score. Orlando Pirates idlala ne-Royal AM. That is straight to Orlando Pirates. Bese kudlala i-Bayern Munich ne-FC St. Pauli. Lapho-ke okay itawini i-Bayern but I would love ukuthi bantu bafake over 3.5 kwe-game yonke. Then wangifuna abantu bapoke this time ngikwatile. Then i-Arsenal itawudlala on Tuesday idlala neFulham. Loyo-ke for team to score and over 2.5. Then i-Manchester United ne-Forest nayo itawudlala for team to score and over 2.5. La Wednesday angiwayekele so because sisitawasho next week Wednesday. Ngicabanga ukuthi angiphele lapho today. Okay, nema-Wolves igame yema-Wolves ne-West Ham over 1.5 lapho. Then-ke we're done. Sitabona next week.